guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to the stunning City View Villa at 202 Tom Cringle Drive in Plantation Heights, Kingston 19. This exquisite property features 6 spacious bedrooms and 7 modern bathrooms with a floor space of 8,000 square feet. This 1 acre property is ideal for families or entertaining. Upon entering, you will be captivated by breathtaking city and ocean views that create a serene backdrop. The open concept design boasts high ceilings and large windows, filling the space with natural light and showcasing the picturesque surroundings. The elegant living area flows seamlessly into a contemporary kitchen equipped with top of the line appliances. Each bedroom is generously sized with ensuite bathrooms designed for comfort and convenience. Step outside to your private swimming pool, perfect for relaxation and outdoor gatherings. The villa also offers 24-hour electronic surveillance for peace of mind, ensuring safety and security. This brand new construction has never been lived in, providing a pristine canvas for your personal touch. With luxurious amenities and a prime location, this City View Villa is a perfect blend of modern living and natural beauty, making it an exceptional choice for your next home. Guys, let's take a look at this home and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 900,000, Jamaican 141.9 million, Canadian 1.28 million, Euro 826.6 thousand, or 699.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.